Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy A22. Finally, this device is here. This is the 4G version, not the 5G version. And as you can see here, it comes with 64 gigabytes of storage and it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. As you can see here, we have a 48 megapixel camera, 5000 milliamperes of battery, and the display is 6.7 inch. And here we have an AMOLED display which has a 90 Hz refresh rate. Inside of the box, this is the paperwork. We have a USB cable and we have a fast charging brick. Also here we have the SIM ejection tool. Now, I've previously opened this phone from the box because I was updating it. I want to say that this phone is a much more better decision than the A32. This is the A32. These two phones have practically the same specs, but the difference is that this phone will cost you around 200 euros, while this phone will cost you around 250 euros. Worth mentioning that the A32 looks better than the A22, but these two phones have practically the same specs. As I said, this phone comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate. The display of the phone is an AMOLED display, and we have Android version, Android 11 here on the phone with One UI 3.1. This phone started its life with Android 11, and I believe that we will receive two major updates here on this phone. We have 48 megapixel camera. Now, not the best in the world, but it gets the job done. As you can see here, 48 megapixels, and we can shoot up to full HD with 30 frames per second on this phone. But we have the possibility to record with wide angle, and we can go up to 10 times zoom. Also, when we hit on more, we see some other features here. We have macro shots, night mode, hyperlapse, slow motion, pro mode, panorama, and food. This phone has no fingerprint under the display. The fingerprint here is on the side of the phone, on the right side. We will test it out in a second. We're just gonna see for a second how the display looks. Also, we will test the speaker. Here we have one bottom firing speaker. Okay, so the speaker is loud enough. We have a 1080p display, but let's take a look at a 4K video and see the resolution. Now, on a 4K video, the resolution goes up to 2K with 60 frames per second, but we know that this phone has a 1080p display. Now, I want to mention that this phone having a Helio G80 processor, this phone can handle games good if we don't play the game at the maximum settings. This phone can handle PUBG good, and only if we play the PUBG in the medium settings, not going at maximum settings. We can see all of the toggles here. We have NFC available on this phone on the 4G version. We have always on display, Dolby Atmos, live caption, and all of these other features. As you can see here, this phone supports Samsung Pay. Now I want to test the fingerprint scanner on this phone. Now, for better recognition, I would recommend you register this finger or the finger that you will use for fingerprint unlock to register more than 2 times. We can go up to 4 or 5 times just to be sure that it will work 100% of the time. But as you can see, I only registered 1 fingerprint. I will also do the face recognition. It says here, do you wear glasses? And I'm wearing glasses right now. Now, after scanning my face with glasses, I need to remove the glasses and the procedure will continue. Okay, so now after removing my glasses, I've registered my face. Now, let's try to unlock the phone. First method is, we can use the pattern here. Now let's try the fingerprint sensor. This fingerprint is very fast. Let me just go double tap to wake up the screen and put the finger here. Yeah, the fingerprint will work 100% of the time. Now keep in mind that I've only registered 1 finger. If we register this finger 2 or 3 times, it will work in every position, even if we press like this. Now let me just try the face unlock. Now I'm looking directly at it, and as you can see, the phone unlocks. Now I'm not looking at it, and as you can see, it will not unlock. Yeah, both of these biometric features work very good on this phone. Keep in mind that this phone will cost you around 200 euros or 250 US dollars. And at that price point, this is the easiest recommendation that I can give for a Samsung device. Other than that, you have the A22 or some older models of the A series on Samsung, but at 2021, now we are almost at 2022, this is the easiest recommendation that I can give for a Samsung device. You will find the link to purchase this device on Amazon in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.